Angelo coming in hot with a 700 bits to say goodnight before going to bed. You could have said goodnight literally for free 99, Angel. Thank you so much for the 700 bits. I appreciate it. Krusty, you son of a...
That reminds me. I owe you an
biscuit.
apology for the cheer the other day. I didn't know it would do this.
Ended. The Clone War has.
Yeah, I'm good, chat. This is fine. This is fine. I hope you guys are having a fantastic night. While I unsuccessfully probably finish this build. Yeah, I'm good. I'm fine. Having a fantastic night. This is great. This is great. This is awesome. That
Good.
for anybody that that left.
Still have a hype train going.
That left as a result of all of the crap that's happening. I don't blame you. I probably would have done the same as a viewer, so that there is no longer a chance of me crapping myself. So for those of you guys that have stuck around, thank you. Bentley, I'm sorry that this is the hostile environment in which that you have decided to raid on into. I hope you had a fantastic stream. And if you're still here, I'm sure you're gonna go and grab some dinner. In which you've probably already done it because you're like, I don't know why I'm here. I don't know why I brought my community here. We're having a nice chill night, building some heckin' Lego. And here I am, bringing my community here, and also bringing myself here to crap myself. Fernal, thank you so much for the 18-month resub, you incredible human being. Hi, Jedi, this is for you as well. That's for you, High Jedi, with your 800 channel point redemption of a close-up wink. Excuse me, that was me still needing to change my pants.
Good.
We are still in the middle of a hype train, folks. 95% of the committed level 2 hype train. I totally forgot about it. Thank you guys so much for the bits. And resubs, Ferno with the resub. I'm just so caught off guard. I don't even know what's going on anymore.
Good.
I don't even know what's going on anymore. Prophet 143, thank you. Krusty with 200 more. The fart The fart caught me off guard. 100 bits from Amish Ace. Barnstar, giving a sub to RMD. Thank you so much, Barnstar, you incredible human being. In all seriousness,
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
100% getting rid of the 666. It was something that I had there in my days of gaming, in which I played spoopy games, and was something that I didn't expect anybody to do for 666 bits. So I will no longer be a thing after this stream. Thank you. Thank you for the applause for that. I'm sure it is a decision that everybody here would appreciate. Yeah. Yep. Anonymous, thank you for the 100 bits. Appreciate it. Thank you. Getting rid of it now. Where the heck is it? There it is. It's gone. I win. Also, I don't win, I lose because I've already crapped myself. So there's that. I lose regardless because I've already peed myself. Chat, thank you guys so much for the 39% to complete a level 3 hype train. You guys could just hang out for free 99 for free 50 free. And not use 666 bits to scare the living crap out of me. The jump scare one was that one was nuts. Jane got me